હેલો નમસ્તે દોસ્તો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે મિત્રો ધોરણ 9 અંગ્રેજી જેની અંદર યુનિટ નંબર 1 ચિત્તા સ્ટીયર્સ જેમાં આપણે સોલ્યુશન કરતા આવ્યા છીએ અને આપણે આ વિડીયો ભાગ નંબર 2 છે. ભાગ નંબર 1 મુકાઈ ગયો છે, જેની લિંક તમને આ વિડીયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં અથવા ચેનલના પ્લેલિસ્ટમાંથી પણ મળી જશે. અને તેની અંદર આપણે ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. તો આપણે જોઈએ કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શનથી શરૂઆત કરવાના છીએ, જેમાં C1 સૌપ્રથમ આપેલો છે. તો બુકની અંદર આપણે C1 થી શરૂ કરીએ. What do you feel when you read this sentence? Question mark. Write well done or how said or what same. Follow the example. તો ચાલો જોઈએ પહેલો છે. Eddie decided to steal a cheetah club. તો તેની અંદર આવશે what's the same. બીજો Eddie threw his net over the cubs and caught them. તો આવશે how said. 3 but alas the mother cheetah could not find her young ones. How said. 4 Seno took the cubs on his shoulder and returned them to the mother. Well done. 5 Eddie by his wicked act had brought dishonor to the whole Zulu tribe. What's the same. 6 The Zulu hunters decided to drive Eddie away from the village. Well done. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો C2 તરફ જોઈએ. Arrange the following phrases in the sequence that can show how Eddie's thought to easy what hunt result in catching cubs. Write numbers of phrases in the bracket. તો આપણને બ્રેકેટની અંદર જે મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે લખવાનું છે, જેમ કે પહેલું જોઈએ સિંગ ઇન ધ ડિયર, તો બ્રેકેટની અંદર 1. ત્યારબાદ છે કબ્સ ઓન મિલ, તો એ 5મા નંબરે આવશે. થોટ અબાઉટ હન્ટર લાઇક ચિત્તા 7મા નંબરે. ઇન્સિડન્ટ તો આવશે 9. સો ફિમેલ ચિત્તા ક્રોવલિંગ તો આવશે 3જા નંબરે. ડિસાઇડેડ ટુ કેચ એન્ડ ટ્રેન તો 8મા નંબરે. ઇનવાઇટ કબ્સ 6ઠા નંબરે. લેફ્ટ એન્ડ કોથર તો આવશે 4થા નંબરે. વધીએ આગળ. તેની અંદર છે ઇઝી વે ટુ ગેટ ડીર 2જા નંબરે અને કટ કબ્સ તો 10મા નંબરે. C3 Now find from the lesson and write down the most important 8 phrases in the space given below, which tells the story about the stance on the cheetah's six. Start from the mother cheetah's return from the stream. જેની અંદર સૌપ્રથમ પહેલું બનશે મિત્રો, જેમાં mother cheetah's returned from the stream. She did not find her cubs. She looked all around us. She became angry and jumped wildly. Alas, she could not find her dear babies. She became sad and started crying. She cried for the whole night till the next evening. Mother cheetah had stains on her face. C4 Answer the question. જેમાં પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન રહેશે, which sentence in the text show that Eddie was a lazy hunter? Answer. These deer are really wonderful, but I have to rub a lot to catch one of them. Can't there be an easy way to get one? Question 2. Eddie decided to catch a cub. Why? Answer. Eddie decided to catch a cub and train it to hunt for him. Question 3. Why was it safe for Eddie to steal cub? Answer. Then in the answer બનશે, it was safe to Eddie to steal a cub because he knew that a cheetah never. Question 4. How did Eddie catch the cubs? Eddie threw a net over the cubs and caught them. ત્યારબાદ આગળ છે ક્વેશ્ચન 5. How did the mother cheetah react when she didn't find her young ones? Answer. First she became angry and jumped wildly. Then she became sad and started crying. She cried for the whole night until the next evening. Question 6. I hate you. You are wicked and lazy. Who said this to whom? Their words were said by Sanu to Eddie. Question 7. How, according to Sanu, did Ede bring dishonor to the Zulu tribe? Answer: a Zulu hunter hunted with his own strength and skill, but Ede was lazy and wicked. He stole the cubs and broke the rules of the tribe. Thus, he brought dishonor to the whole tribe. Question 8. What decision did the tribesmen take? The tribesmen decided to drive away Ide from their village forever. Question 9. What is the message of the story of Sita's tears? The message of the story Sita's tear is that, like human beings, even animals have feelings. They love their young ones and can cry when they lose them. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો C5. Read the fact about Sita from the text and complete the table. તો તેની અંદર આપણે સંપૂર્ણ આ પ્રમાણે તમારે લખી લેવાનું રહેશે. ત્યારબાદ C6 તરફ આગળ વધીએ. Complete the statements using appropriate word of or group of word from the text. પહેલો છે Ede wanted an easy, તો આવશે life. બીજા નંબર છે Ede invite the cheetah cubs because, તો they got their food without any effort. 3. Ede thought that he would train the cubs, hunt for him, and his life would be very comfortable then. 4. The mother cheetah went on crying until her tears made dark stains on her cheeks. 5. According to Snow, a hunter must hunt with his own strength and skill. 6. Ede had brought dishonor to the whole tribe by stealing the cubs and breaking the rules of the tribes. Question C.7. Discuss this with your friends and teacher in the class. You may use mother pronoun. First, what do you think about earning without effort? 2. Do you justify Ede's act catching the cubs? Why? એવી રીતે તમારે જે છે મિત્રો લખી લેવાના રહેશે. ત્યારબાદ હવે આગળના વિડીયોમાં આપણે લેંગ્વેજ પ્રેક્ટિસથી મિત્રો શરૂ કરવાના છીએ.